Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the benefits of planking every day for just 1 minute. But before we dive into that, let's first define what planking is. Planking is a type of exercise that involves holding your body in a straight line, resting on your forearms and toes, while engaging your core muscles. It may seem like a simple exercise, but it can be quite challenging and requires a lot of strength and stability. Now, you might be wondering, what could possibly happen if I plank every day for just 1 minute? Well, the answer is, a lot. Planking has a ton of benefits that can improve your overall health and fitness. First and foremost, planking can help you strengthen your core muscles. Your core muscles include your abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back muscles, and they play a crucial role in supporting your body during various activities. By planking every day, you can improve the strength and stability of your core muscles, which can help you with lifting heavy objects, running, and even sitting upright for long periods of time. Planking can also help improve your posture. Poor posture can lead to a variety of problems such as neck and back pain, headaches, and even respiratory issues. By strengthening your core muscles through planking, you can improve your posture and reduce the risk of these problems. In addition to these physical benefits, planking can also have a positive impact on your mental health. Planking requires a lot of focus and concentration, which can help improve your mental clarity and reduce stress. Plus, the endorphins released during exercise can help boost your mood and improve your overall well-being. Now, you might be thinking, but 1 minute of planking seems too easy, won't I see better results if I do it for longer? While it's true that the longer you plank, the more benefits you'll see, it's important to start slow and gradually increase the duration as you build up your strength and stability. 1 minute of planking every day is a great place to start, and you can always add more time as you progress. So, there you have it, the benefits of planking every day for just 1 minute. It's a simple and effective exercise that can improve your overall health and well-being. Give it a try and see the positive changes it can bring to your life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all of our content. Until next time, happy planking.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry.